Did it ever happen that you needed to schedule a WhatsApp message for the future? It can be to avoid sending messages at awkward times like 2 a.m. or to remind someone about something special. Most of Volt users have this pain as well and have requested to program their messages. That's why we built Send Later for WhatsApp. So, from now on, at any chat, either group or individual, you can activate a Send Later mode with Command S, which is going to ask you for a send time. In this case, it could be tomorrow, 10 a.m. And then you can type your future message. You can always access your scheduled messages by pressing Command-Shift-S. You can also include multiple texts and media in the future messages. For instance, let's say it's late at night and you want to send a teammate something you've just found out. You can just drop media here or attach it and have it scheduled for the future. Lastly, if you're talking with someone from another part of the world, from a different time zone, we'll suggest you to schedule the message as Send Later so you do not disturb that person at this time. In this example, I'm talking with someone from Malaysia, and it's gonna suggest scheduling these messages for a time that makes sense for the other person, which would be 9 a.m. At Volt, we're building the fastest WhatsApp client to help you save more time in WhatsApp. Stay tuned.